So our live lectures for the March 2026 examination is starting on Monday, 8th of December 2026. And by popular request, many students are requesting that, hey, Nhyira, can you help us? We want to enroll in the course and start studying. For that reason, we are offering about 20% discount across board for our main courses, our practice question courses, as well as on our books. So this is 20% across board, and this is valid for a limited time. So if you want to enroll, join our community and study under my mentorship with a team here to assist you for the March 2026 examination, we are giving you a 20% cash back in your enrollment. Get access to our content, join our community, join our live lectures, get access to our mentorship session so we can hold your hand, provide you with assistance that you need so you can go to the exam hall, write the exam with confidence, and most importantly, pass the examination. So send us a message on WhatsApp 050-114-9296 to redeem this 20% cashback discount so you can register and prepare well for the examination so you can pass the examination. Yes, we understand that you really want to prepare well for the examination and you want to pass this examination, and that is our goal. We also want to help you to give you the blueprints that is required, the mentorship that is needed so you can finish this ICAG program in record time. And that is why we are giving this offer to all students across board to help you so you can prepare well for the examination and pass the exam. So send us a message on WhatsApp 050-114-9296 and redeem your cashback 20% and enroll in a course today. Again, this is a limited offer and will be closed very soon. And so if you want to get access to it, just send us a message and you'll be assisted so that you can register and join our live lectures and get access to our content as you prepare for the March 2026 examination. Enroll today and let's assist you to take your life and your career to the next level.